Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable cookies on Microsoft Edge. So firstly open Microsoft Edge, then click on this three dot. Now here click on settings. Now in this left side panel you will see cookies and site permissions. Click on it. Save cookies and data on your device in order to facilitate continuous browsing between sites and sections. Manage and delete cookies and site data. So click here. Allow sites to save and read cookies data. If you want to block and turn off and disable, so select it to off. So now sites will be not able to save and read cookies data. And if you want to block any specific site, so click on add, enter the particular site's URL like pcnotes.com and select include third-party cookies on this site. Click on add. So in this way guys, you can disable and turn off cookies in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.